Dear students, Namaste. Welcome back to a new mathematics session. In the previous class, we have learned about properties of division. In today's session, we will discuss patterns in whole numbers and will solve exercise 2.5. Let's begin our session. First, we will discuss patterns in whole numbers. Patterns in whole numbers. A pattern is a sequence of numbers or pictures. A pattern is a sequence of numbers or pictures. Next one, we can arrange numbers in elementary shapes consisting of dots. We can arrange numbers in elementary shapes consisting of dots. What are elementary shapes? Elementary shapes means line, triangle, square, rectangle, etc. Okay, so we have to arrange these shapes consisting of dots. These are the elementary shapes: line, triangle, rectangle and square. First, we will see which numbers can be arranged as a line. Every number can be arranged as a line except 0 and 1. The number 1 is shown as 1 dot. The number 2 is shown as 2 dots. Number 3 is shown as 3 dots. So every number can be arranged as a line. So the number 2 can be arranged as a line using 2 dots. The number 3 can be arranged as a line using 3 dots. The number 4 can be arranged as a line using 4 dots and so on. Okay. Then next, some numbers like 3, 6 and 10 can be arranged as a triangle. First one, the number 3. The number 3 can be arranged as a triangle using 3 dots. The number 6 can be arranged as a triangle using 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 10 can be arranged as a triangle using 10 dots. In a triangle, the top row, that is this top row should always have only one dot. Then the sides of a triangle, these are the sides of a triangle. Sides of the triangle should have equal number of dots. Here 2, here 2, here 2. So the all sides are equal. Okay. So the sides of a triangle should have equal number of dots. Some numbers like 6, 8 and 12 can be arranged as a rectangle. So number 6 is a rectangle. Here in the horizontal row 3 dots are used and the vertical row 2 dots are used. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Next, the number 8. 8 can be arranged as a triangle. It can be arranged as a rectangle. Here the horizontal line using 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the vertical 2 dots. 1, 2. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. The same way, number 12 can be arranged as a rectangle. So in the horizontal line 4 dots and the vertical line 3 dots. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Next, some numbers like 4, 9 and 16 can be arranged as a square. See number 4. The number 4 can be arranged as a square using 4 dots. That is 2 into 2. 2 into 2, that means 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. That means 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. The number 9, this can be arranged as a square. So the number 9 can be arranged as a square using 9 dots. 9 dots, that means 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 square. 3 square is 9. Number 16. The number 16 can be arranged as a square using 16 dots. Using 16 dots, that is 4 multiplied by 4. 4 into 4. 4 into 4, that means 4 into 4 is 4 square. 4 square is 16. Move on to exercise problems. First problem from exercise 2.5. Which of the following are square numbers? Some numbers are given. We have to find the square numbers. Option A 3, option B 9, option C 12, option D 16, option E 20 and option F 25. Square numbers means a number is multiplied by itself. A number is multiplied by itself. First one 3. 3 is not a square number. Then number 9. Square number means a number is multiplied by itself. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 3 into 3. So 9 is a square number. Okay. So our answer, square numbers are square numbers. First one 9. Then 12 is a square number. No, why? 12 can be written as 2 into 6 or 4 into 3 or 3 into 4 or 2 into 6. A number is multiplied by itself is called square number. Okay. Here 16, 4 into 4. 16 can be written as 4 into 4. A number is multiplied by itself. So 16 is also a square number. Then 20. No, why? 20 means 2 into 10. Okay, 2 into 10 is 20 or 20 into 1 is a 20. But 20 is not a square number. Here F. Option F 25. 25. Yeah. 5 into 5. A number is multiplied by itself. So 5 into 5. 5 square is 25. So the square numbers are 9, 16 and 25. Question number 2. Write all square numbers between 1 and 100. Between 1 and 100. Okay. Between 1 and 100 means what is the next number? After 1, 2. Okay. So 2 square. 2 square is 4. Okay. Then 3 square. 3 square is 3 into 3. 9. Next one 4. 4 square. 4 into 4. 16. 5 square. 5 into 5. 25. 6 square. 6 into 6. 36. 7 square. 7 into 7. 49. 8 square. 8 into 8. 64. 9 square. 9 into 9. 81. 10 square, 10 into 10, here 100 is there. Okay. So in between 1 and 100, these numbers are there. These square numbers 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. 4 means 2 square. Here 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. Okay. Question number 3. Which of the following are triangular numbers? Some numbers are given 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Now we already learned some numbers like 3, 6 and 10 are triangular numbers. 3, 6 and 10 are triangular numbers. Here 3. Here 3, 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, by using 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here how many dots? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we learned the numbers 3, 6 and 10 are triangle numbers. Okay. The numbers 3, 6 and 10 can be arranged as a triangle. Okay. So here, which of the following are triangle numbers? So here 3, then 6, then 10. So 3, 6 and 10. What is the next number? First number is 3. What is the next number? 6 means we add 3 to the first number. So 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. What is the next number? 10. this 6 plus 4. This 6 plus 4 is 10. Clear? First one 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 4, 10. What is the next number? This 10. This 10 plus here 3, here 4, here 5. So 10 plus 4 means 15. 15 is there? 15 is not there. 15 is not there. So 15, here 15, then next number 15 plus next number 6, okay. Here 3, 4, 5, the next number is 6, okay. So 15 plus 6, 21. 21 is here? No. Then what is the next number? 21 plus here and 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, that's 7. So 21 plus 7, 28. So here the numbers are 3, 6 and 10. 15 and 21 is not there, then 28. Okay, so the triangle numbers are 3, 6, 10 and 28. Next question number 4. Which is the smallest number that can form a line? We learned the number 2 can arrange as a line. Okay, by using 2 dots. Using 2 dots. So the answer is 2. Number 2 can arrange as a line. Next question number 5. Which is the smallest number that can form a triangle? That can form a triangle. So you know, we learned the triangle using 3 dots. The number 3 can be arranged as a triangle using 3 dots. Here the question is, which is the smallest number that can form a triangle? So the answer is 3. Then next question number 6. Which is the smallest number that can be shown as a rectangle? That can be shown as a rectangle. So here rectangle. Here 3 dots. Here 2 dots. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So which is the smallest number that can be shown as a rectangle? Answer is 6. Using 6 dots. Here 3 dots. Here 2 dots. 3 into 2 is 6. Next, question number 10. Observe and complete the following pattern. First we have to observe the pattern. After that, we have to complete the blanks. The question is here: 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1, 2 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 8. Then 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6. You observe here only 1. Then next number 1, 2. One more number 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. The second number, same number, 8. The third is also same. But in the answer side, another side, here 9. Then just 9, 8. 1 less. 9, 8. Then 9, 8, 7. That means descending order. 9, 8, 7. Then 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. So you have to fill the blanks. Here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Into the second number is also same. 8 plus 1 is equal to here 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. Then what is the next number? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Then next one, option C. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the next number? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, then 3. Okay. Today we have discussed patterns in whole numbers and also completed exercise 2.5. Prepare properly Note down your doubts. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.